Ngokusho kwendodana kaZuma u-Edward, isicelo sikayise sokuyobhekana nenkinga esekhaya sisingethwe ngabameli bakhe. UZuma udonsa isigwebo sezinyanga eziyi-15 ejele laseMtshezi ngokwedelela inkantolo. Umfowabo uMichael ushone esikhathini esingaphezulu kwamasonto amabili edlule kulandela ukugula isikhathi eside.
As law-abiding citizens would have to wait for the authorities, but we have not been given any indication by any parties who would respect the parties, whoever, if ever there is a process, that process is ongoing. But as a family, we are just focusing on the preparations of the funeral. We do not know anything about that.
Okhulumela umnyango wezokuhlunyeleliswa kwezimilo uthi bayasicubungula isicelo sikaZuma.
We have confirmed that the former president has made an application for compassionate leave, so we are currently considering that application. There is no time frame in terms of us considering it, but we'll have to make that decision before the actual activity that the inmate is ought to attend.
Unxumalo akashongo nokho ukuthi isinqumo ngesicelo sikaZuma sizothathwa nini, kepha waqinisekisa ukuthi sizothathwa ngaphambi komngcwabo.